I'm going to show you guys how to convert Jinhao 750 fountain pen into a flexnib calligraphy pen. It's about $6.50, $7 on Amazon. What I noticed, I did a dry fitting of this before I started the video, and I noticed that the Nico G's don't fit, and apparently I bought those at some point instead of the Zebra G's. I don't really know what the difference is other than the Zebra G's fit and the Nikos don't, so yeah, I don't know. First thing is you pull this nib out with the feeder, and that nib just comes right out, and that throws away. Whatever, you do whatever you want with that, doesn't matter, we don't care. You take your Zebra G, stick them there on top. There's a little notch here at the bottom, it's flat. You want to make sure that lines up with the flat part of the pen. And kind of just fits together, slides right in, nice and easy. We'll take some of our ink, fountain pen ink. Doesn't really matter what you use. You use whatever you like. Let's see how this thing fills. Okay, that didn't fill. Perfect. And try it again. There we go. Probably had to get some air out of there first. See if we get some ink to feed. There we go. Well, a little bit of a feed problem there. Sometimes you just gotta prime it with a little bit of wet ink first. No. So after a lot of mess, a lot of fidgeting with it, all I had to do was dip the nib of the pen into my bottle of ink. It's probably just a prime thing, just to get the thing primed and ready to go. But now it's writing pretty consistent. Don't look at that. Yeah, so I think, oh, I had a little skip there. I'll try on some other paper. But I think that's it. Right when I turned the camera on, of course, it stopped working. That's probably because I was holding the pen upside down or something stupid. But yeah, let's see. This is obviously also not real good paper to test on. But okay, maybe damn. Oh no, Yeti! No! It might just be some ink flow issues, just overall. So just maybe expect that. But it's funny, every time I turn the camera on, it seems to have something like that happens. Every time I turn it off, it's fine. So I don't know. I think you get what you pay for. It's a sub $10 flexnib fountain pen. You know, if you want quality, don't come to this YouTube channel. You gotta get out of there.